Hey, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to kind of add to the last video that I posted, sort of a part 2. It's an embellishment on this A sus2 chord. And let's zoom in and check this out. So I'm going from A. I'm sliding from 2nd to 4, grabbing the 3 here on the 2nd string. Going back to A. Then I'm thinking of like D minor 11 over A. So it's a fun little chord move to play with here. And then the other thing that I did here when I went from I'm thinking of like a major triad, but I'm playing in thirds. So I have my middle finger here on the 7th fret of the D string, index finger on the G of the 6th fret. And sometimes I'll grab this A note above it. I'm thinking B minor. I have my index finger on the 7th fret, my 3rd finger on the 9th fret, D string. Slide that up. Index finger on the G string of the 9th fret, and then the 11th fret here is with the 3rd finger. I'm thinking C sharp minor. I grab an A minor 7 flat 5. So it's 12, 11, 12, excuse me, 12, 13, 12, 13. And then I did an A7, and then I went back here to the A2 chord or A sus chord. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope that adds to, you know, what I was playing in the video prior to the one that I posted, you know, to this one, etc. So the other video kind of had the run where I'm going from this A add 9 run. And it ended sort of on that A sus2 chord. Well, that concludes my series on attempting to play open style guitar as opposed to, you know, more of like a harder closed blues or rock, you know, style. So when I say open, or when I think of open guitar, I just think of, you know, notes or chord, you know, arpeggios kind of cascading, the notes kind of just running into each other and just kind of giving more of a jangly sound to the guitar. So once again, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. And take care.